Hi guys, welcome to day 3 of our road trip. We are here in Amish County, it's in Lancaster. We are staying at the Amish View Inn and Suites. We have just parked up, we're going to go see if we can check in because we're a little bit early, and then we're going to go explore the area, and it's raining, so that's not great. Right, we have checked into the Amish View Inn and Suite. Look at the incredible view we have of the farm. I wanted to give you a tour of the room because it's gorgeous. We've got 2 nights here and I'm very excited to just kind of take a few days to like relax and enjoy country life. So you come into the hotel room and you have got this gorgeous big bathtub complete with a TV, which is fun. And then you have twin sinks as well, which is always a nice little touch. And then plenty of storage space. Bathroom and also like a walk-in shower, which I'm always a fan of. Yeah, so that should be nice. So then you walk into the bedroom and you have a nice big king bed. We went for the king room because we also wanted to have the view. So I'll show you the view in a second, but you have a king room. You also have in here, which we only just spotted then, was a little sink and fridge, microwave, coffee machine, all of that stuff so you can make yourself at home. So that is that. There's also like a wardrobe space here. So if you are here for a little while, there's plenty of wardrobe space. Then you have a nice area here to put everything out, lay everything out. Big TV. Loving this size television, I must say, for relaxing evenings. Living room space, nice comfortable sofa, mirror. And then this is why we booked this room, is we wanted to have a room with a view of the farm. So this is on a like working farm, and then this is the view of it, which is great. So that is a little tour of our room here in the Amishview Inn. We're going to relax for a bit, unpack a little bit, and then head out and get some brunch because we haven't had breakfast yet. So I want to go and have some local food in the area. Plain and fancy. Next to our hotel, literally attached to it, is like a little shop and restaurant. So we're going to see what food they have, but also look at the merchandise because it's fun. So literally next door to where we're staying is a place called, what's it called? The Smokehouse? Smokehouse BBQ Grill something. But we've gone for like a brisket and pulled pork sandwich thing. Callum has gone for, like I've gone for just a sweet tea, and Callum's gone for apparently one of the oldest soft drinks in the country. So this is birch beer. It is caffeine free and alcohol free, even though it looks like it's beer. But it's actually a soft drink that's probably one of the oldest in the country. Food has arrived. Oh wow. And even booked gravy with our mash. Right guys, so we had a lovely meal. Very full now, which I'm happy about. We have just popped to the buggy ride place and we booked a tour for 3 o'clock, which is in like half an hour. I'm gonna get some layers on because I'm really cold. And then we will go and do a farm tour, so that should be fun.
To get harvesting. So we have a little fresh hay over here for the horses. And then some of the other stuff back there is some straw for the horses. And that's it right now.
That's probably a condition of their renting. That's probably a condition of their renting, I imagine. Or maybe, no, it's not.
It's there. Back here. It's diesel generator with the air compressor. So the pressure gauge is right up there with the yellow coat.
Slash zone. Slash zone. That's like actual food. Yeah, the shrimp farm.
He was trying to come earlier. Actually, in 1972, they went to the Supreme Court about the schooling. They argued that we were on the farm. We needed to get to work. I did not go past 8th grade. Learn that skill. Once you're married, mom takes care of the house. Dad makes the money. For the local English community. So guess what? We gotta move somewhere else.
Right, we just finished our Amish town buggy ride. It was a really interesting like buggy ride. I'll leave the link to the company that we went with. It was run by like an Amish family, and they were like answering all of our questions, like taking us on a tour of like this farm that's nearby. Really interesting. So that was good fun, and now we're going to head into a country shop. It's called the Country Store. So we're going to go and see what we can see. It's the place that's next to our hotel, but we didn't get a chance to look into the store properly earlier, so that's the plan. You can get kettle corn. Oh my goodness, guys, chocolate cookie dough fudge. This has to happen. There's something called bread and butter pickle chips. Oh, here's your chow chow. What they had in that restaurant. Gosh.